Hello friends, you're welcome back once again. Now we're going to be learning how to calculate fractions of numbers, okay, and of amounts as well. Alright, I know some of our friends might be having difficulties in calculating fractions that has to do with amount and other numbers. We're going to learn how to do that today. Please sit back and watch till the end. Let's get right into it. Solution. Number one, we have 1/15 times 135 over 1. Now, when you see a fraction like this, it simply means what? You multiply 15. 1 times 135 gives us what? 135. Then 15 times 1 gives us what? 15. Okay? It's easy to multiply it this way when you have 1 as the what? Numerator. Now, 5 can go into 15 to give us what? 3. 5 can go into 13 to give us what? 2. Remember what? 3. Right? Then 5 in 35 is what? 7. This is 27 over 3. Isn't it? Then 3 can also go into 27. 3 can go into 3, 1. And 3 can go into 27, 9. So this gives us what? 9 as our final answer. I hope this is easy. It's very simple. Just be patient and watch till the end. You'll get to know more about it. Now question 2 says 7 over 11 times 121. Now in this case, we could have just multiplied it out just as we did in question 1, but we can easily reduce the fractions from here. 11 can go into 11 one time, and 121 11 times, because 11 times 11 equals what? 121. Then we have 7 times 11, which equals 77. Voila! That's the final answer. Question 3. You can see it's very easy. 3 over 5 times 45 meters. Okay? Now here, instead of multiplying it out, we can just reduce the fraction from here. 5 can go into 5 once, and in 45 how many times? 9 times. This is what? 3 times 9 meters, which equals 27 meters. Question 4. We have 2 over 3 times 21 meters over 1. Now the first question you need to ask yourself is, can the denominator go into any of these two numbers? Can 3 go into 2? No. Can 3 go into 21? Yes. But how many times? That's why it's important you need to know your multiplication table very well. Alright? 3 can divide 3 one time, and 21 7 times. And this gives us what? 2 times 7 meters, which is 14 meters. Okay? Then the last question, we have 1/8 times 720 grams over 1. And do not forget to always include your units. It's important when you are given questions that have units, you need to put the units. Okay? Now 8 can go into 8 once, and in 720, in 72 to go 9, 8 can go into 0, 0. Then we have 1 times 90 grams equals 90 grams. Okay? Alright, so we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you've learned something today. Please do well to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.